Hello everyone, how to do it, back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to backup your wallet on Tonkeeper wallet application. So it's really easy and simple. You need to enter your application, then tap here right top corner on your screen. It's called a settings option, and then you can see the first option, backup. Simply tap on the backup and you can see backup your wallet manually by writing down the recovery phrase. So simply tap on the backup manually. Then never enter your recovery phrase any other place, then Toncoin is access your wallet. Toncoin support never ask for a recovery phrase. Everybody with your recovery phrase can access your wallet, so it's possible. So it's for tutorial purpose, so I don't it's not a final thing. So you have to give your passcode here, and then you can see you have to you have to remember this thing, like check backup. Like if you check backup, then you can say 1, you have to know 1, 3 and 23. So what is the draft? One is draft, so you have to like 14. You have to remember all this thing. I don't know, you have to remember all this thing. Then you have to type the word here, so in 3. So when you come again and like let's see if you have got everything right, enter word 3, 17 and 23, then you can enter. It's really easy. So like I don't know, you have to remember this, otherwise you will not get your checkup. So one draft, like for example, so you can see it's right, and if it's wrong, then you'll see simple, you can see it's a red color. Okay, so that's why you have to remember this. Then you can recover your with this phrase. Write down these words with their numbers and store them in a safe place. So this way you can back up your wallet. So okay friend, today's normal, and see you in the next video.